to my channel. My name is Charmaine. I'm back with another haul. So let me first just tell you, I'm actually doing 2 hauls today, but to make it look like I'm not doing 2 hauls, I changed my background, changed my top, and I put a different lipstick color on, and I added some extra eyeliner to make this pop, and I actually went over the colors I already had with different colors to kind of change up the look a tiny little bit. But if you kind of notice, like, I think I just saw you wearing something similar in another video, it's because I just recorded that video and now I'm moving on to this to try to get them both done in one day to be productive. Okay, so we are doing a Colourpop haul today. I have to be careful so you don't see my address. It came in this Bambi box, but this, I didn't get anything from the Bambi collection. I don't think I did. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump into what I did buy. So I did get these Chill Sesh Hydrating Eye Masks by 4th Rate Beauty. And I know that Colourpop has a few people that work with them, and so you can go to their YouTube and get their Colourpop code. So I know, like, Dupe That, always use theirs. And then that girl Shay, she has a Colourpop discount code as well. I might have used her discount code for this one, but usually I use Dupe That. So here's the inside. It comes with this little spoon thingy. And let's take this thing off. Ooh. Gotta smell it first. Okay, so like little eye patches. They're very juicy. I think I'm gonna use these at nighttime and see how they work for me. I've never tried these eye patches before. Now I also got this Wild Child palette. So I was actually on there to pick up a different set of palettes. I think it was a new palette that just came out. It's probably at the bottom of the box. And then while I was there, I was like, I may as well just purchase a couple of extra items so that way I don't have to worry about it. So I got this palette. Now I don't usually like browns and like looks like palettes that look like this because they don't feel colorful enough for me. Like, it just feels plain. But I feel like I could do something with this and like create like a nice brown sexy eyeshadow look, especially like with these glitter colors here. I don't know, I just envisioned being able to create something, so I was like, let me just get this, because I actually don't have a lot of palettes that are just browns. I don't have as many as I do like colorful palettes, let me just say that. Okay, so I'm going to swatch some of these colors in here. And let's go ahead and see. And of course these have color names. Okay. That's a nice color. So that's a glitter color. This one is more like a metallic-y color, this here. And then this color here. So I feel like I could do something with that. It kind of reminds me, I did a look for the holidays. It was like chestnuts roasting on an open fire was like my theme, and I did like a brown look. I feel like I could do something similar but with this palette. And I think for that look I used the LA Girl palette. I used an LA Girl palette for that look. So, and of course Colourpop has the nice little mirrors and all their stuff, and it comes with like the little thing so I can actually show you like this. So I like that. Take it off. All right, so that's the Wild Child palette. Let me know down in the comments below if you have that palette and what looks you like to create with it. Okay, and then I have this palette here. What is this? Colourpop So Very Lovely. So again, I was on there to get a palette and I was like, let me just go ahead and pick up a few extras. So I like this, the way this looks. This doesn't have a mirror in it, but let's swatch some of these colors. So let's swatch Organza. Let me lightly press in there because sometimes I'm a little bit heavy-handed and I'm like digging in these things. And let's try braided. And we're gonna try tea time. Ooh, let's try eyelet, which is this matte shade. So I'm trying, the rest of these are like shimmers and then a matte. Ooh, I think that this one right here was braided. I like that. Okay. I like this color too. And this color. Okay, I could put these two colors together and it would be like a pink, like, well, not like a pink lemonade, but it'd be like a original lemonade, pink lemonade look. That would be cute. Let's see, let me add, I have a little bit on my finger and just like, see how that transitions? So I went from like the yellow and whatever was left on my finger from this shade, I put it there. And I could, ooh, that'd be so cute. So this, like this yellow to the pink and then to this, and that'd be like a cute summer look, and it reminded me of like a lemonade and something refreshing. Okay, so that's what I would do with that palette. So if you have that palette and you haven't created that look, go ahead and create that look. Go to my Instagram, tag me in the look. My Instagram is Charmsfitbeauty, same as my YouTube name. The next palette I got was this Barbie palette. So the Malibu Barbie palette. I wasn't planning, well, not that I wasn't planning to get this, I wasn't going to go out of my way to get it, basically. And so, same as the other two palettes, since I was on the Colourpop site, I figured, why not? I do prefer to purchase Colourpop from Ulta just because I want to get all the points that I can get. So this palette looks like this already. So the colors I would naturally want to use would be like this orange, this yellow here, that bright pink, this pink, but I want to use colors that I normally wouldn't use, so maybe I'll do something with like these blues and this brown, or maybe the yellow, the blue, and the brown, just to try to create a new look. So let's go ahead and try the yellow, which is like West Coast, that's what it's called, and then Malibu Memories. Okay, and then we're gonna try this Let's Go Party. Ooh, come on Barbie, let's go party. Okay, and then Boardwalk. Ooh, I need to create a look with this. So I've seen a lot of people use this palette and they use like the yellow, the orange, and the bright pink, but I don't want to do what everybody else did. I want to create a look that is not online yet. So I'm gonna try to come up with something and put that video up and see. So make sure, comment down below if you're looking forward to that video. That will be coming. So the Barbie palette and one other palette. So this was like a mini Colourpop haul, and let's see, of course they always send a thanks a latte card, so they always send like a thank you card, which I like. Okay, so this is the palette that actually went on Colourpop to purchase. It's the You're Golden palette, and I don't know if, I don't think it was at Ulta yet because I purchased it right when it popped up, but I don't always do my hauls right when I get everything because I always have other hauls to do, so I get a little bit behind in doing them. So I'm, you know, I always film these a couple weeks after I've bought them, so this is a little late too. So this is You're Golden, and I don't know if this was new or if I just noticed it. I was scrolling on Instagram and the palette popped up, and so I was like, ooh, and I went and bought it. So this, ooh, I already know which color I want to pick. So this palette looks like this, and I'm already liking, you guys probably already know, like the pinks of course, but this blue right here and like this little baby pink, so cute. They look cute in the palette. Let's go ahead and try them out. So this is Rum Season. Ooh, this is like, okay, this like looks icy. Okay. This is definitely a glitter. It has some purple reflex. I see some like yellow and some green. You guys can't really tell, but nice. Okay, and then of course I want to try, I'm probably going to swatch quite a few from this palette because I really wanted this. This is Jet Set. And this was more of a pressed glitter. This one is more shimmery, so it doesn't pop as much as that other one. And we're gonna try Salty. Okay, that's like a light pink as well, but not as light as this pink. This pink almost looks like whitish or silverish, and then this one looks more pinky in the palette. We're gonna try One Way. This is like looks like a gold. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, that's One Way. Let's try Bayshore, which is like this really gold. Ooh, I like that too. So if you want to do like a nice transition look that shows like some dimension, like you could use this light yellow and transition it to this yellow. I can't talk. And that would be cute. So I don't have it on now. I'm just doing it like I had it on, but yeah. So I would use this where I would put this on my lid first, and then I would pat this on next to it so that they transition from one to the other. And then what would I do? I would probably put another pop of something that's unexpected. Okay, and then this is Sandy. Ooh, it's really pretty. Okay. And we're gonna try Sun's Out. I feel like Sun's Out, let me put that up here. So Sun's Out, like the same that I would do with this, where I put this, then this, I would do this shimmer shade and then this to go together, and then, you know, create another blue look, which let me try to stay away from blue looks because I feel like I've done 2 blue looks now that you've seen, and then I've done a few off camera. I don't know what's going on with me, but I've just been in a blue mood. Okay, so now we're gonna try Must Stay. Ooh, and this looks like a brown goldy look because it has some like shimmer in there, some glitter. That's really nice. I like that. So these shades with like glitter in them or that are shimmery, I would not put in my crease. This one I probably would, because you can't even see the glitter in there. You only see it in the pan, and you can kind of see it up close. It's not that noticeable, so I would use that in my crease. But normally if it was like an actual shimmer shade or a glitter, I would not put that in my crease. Okay, we're gonna try Palisades. And I'm just randomly trying colors in the palette. I'm not even going in order. I'm just kind of picking colors. So if I try a shade again, let's just act like I didn't and just act surprised. Okay, and then here's this. Ooh, what's that one? That's called Balmy. I like that. All right, so let's clean that off so I can try some more. Normally I don't swatch a whole palette. I don't plan to swatch this entire palette, but I do plan to swatch a good majority of it. So I'm gonna swatch Basque. So just like Must Stay, which was that brown color with like the gold shimmer or glitter in there, this one is like a deeper brown with gold glitter. So it looks like this. And you can kind of see, like, you can see the glitter in there. Let me swatch that other one that was just like it, that I already swatched. So I know that I swatched it already. I'm just swatching it again so you can see. They look the same in the pan. Not the same color, but with the glitter. So this is what they look like. So this is basically like this brown, but there's glitter. You can kind of see the glitter a little bit better now. And there's one other one in there. It's called Fling, which is an even deeper brown with the gold glitter. So see that? So these are the 3 browns that have like gold glitter in them. And see, this one you don't see it as much, so I would put this one in my crease, where this one, maybe I would put that in my crease. It's just, it's a little, it's not like too much glitter. Okay, now let's swatch Illusion. And this is a shimmer shade. Ooh, or a metallic. It looks like a metallic. I'm just adding more. So I like that. That's really pretty. Okay. And let's swatch. So with this one, I would pair it with Hidden Gem. So that's Hidden Gem. And do like a soft look. And let's see, I could also, like, you can smoke it out a little bit with this color Private Beach. See, put those 3 colors together. And let's try Daydreamer. Okay, and that's Daydreamer. And what other color haven't I tried? Let's try this Sporty Blue. So this is a matte blue shade. It's like a bluish green. Okay, it looks like that. And that's all I'm going to swatch from this palette. But let me know what you think of Colourpop. Do you buy Colourpop? Are you into Colourpop? I think Colourpop's a really good brand. I'm glad that they're in the stores. I remember at first they weren't in any stores. You just had to order them online. So it's great that they're in Ulta. You can always find them in Ulta. Ulta usually gets the new launches pretty quickly, but you can always order from the website too. So that way you can use a coupon code if you want to get any discounts. At Ulta, you just kind of have to use whatever Ulta coupon code you have, but you do get the points as far as like building up dollars and stuff to spend later. So, you know, either or, it's still a win. So this was the golden palette. I really like this palette. This was the palette that I went to Colourpop just to get, and then decided to just add a few more things to the cart. So go ahead, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video so that I know you like hauls. Go ahead and comment down below. Comment anything. Just say, hey, let me know which palette you like. Anything, you can say whatever down there as long as it's positive. And thank you for watching.